Hey, good morning, Jay. So I just wanted to walk you through some steps about how to create an account first of all, and then we'll look at how to get files into that in another video. But when you log on to a web browser, it really could be any web browser. If you're on Apple, it could be Safari. On a Windows, I would recommend using Google Chrome, but it could be Firefox also. It doesn't really matter. Just go to google.com. And here you're going to be able to see if you are logged into an account. So I go into the upper right here, I see my little icon, the N, and if I hover over that, it shows this is the account nwwait26@gmail.com. So if you have an account and you're on there, that's great. Now, if you wanted to create a new account, which I would recommend that you create for your separate project, go ahead and click that icon. And then you're going to come down here to add another account. And it's going to give you some suggestions, but we're going to go all the way down to create account. And so go ahead and click that for yourself. If you get into here, they're going to charge you. So just say you want to do it for yourself. So you would add things. So I'm just going to make one up here like well, yeah, I'll just do my real name. Why not? Why not? So you put your name, and then it's going to give you a suggestion, but you can put anything here. So I'm going to put nateslife@gmail.com. And it's going to tell me if that's used up. So I'm going to actually put some numbers just to make sure. So 26 because my birthday is January 26th. Now, here's an idea for you. If you were doing it for your thing, you might put Jay's Cabin. I know that's not really your name, right? But then it's going to come up on everything. It's going to come up like Jay's Cabin or J and K's Cabins or whatever you want. So you can name that what you want. It doesn't have to be your real name. I'm going to put my name just because, hey. So once we have a name and you choose what you want, I actually don't like that. Well, whatever. Okay. You come down here, you choose a password. So and then we're just going to say, let's go next. It's going to check and make sure nobody has ever used Nate's Life 26. That's a pretty cheesy email, but whatever. So then you add your email or your phone number to it and a recovery email. This is so if you forgot all your passwords, you could say, hey, send an email to my recovery email and it'll send it to you and say, do you want to reset your other password or whatever. Put your birthday. So I'm just going to do it really quick. And sorry. And it's going to ask me to verify that this is my real phone number. So I've got that phone with me right now. I just got the text, and so it gives me my little code. I type that in and verify. That's just making sure that everybody knows that it's really my account. So you just go through here. These are just things you agree to. I mean, it's like everything. You agree to everything and you don't really read it, but it's all good. So now I can look up here. It's turned into this teal colored icon. And if I look, I'm going to see down there, now I'm on nateslife26@gmail.com. So I would recommend as a first step, go ahead and choose your account, however you want it to be. It might be Jay's Cabin at Gmail, whatever you want, right? And create that account. And then as soon as you've done that, we'll go to the next step, right?